welcome back. Now today's video is going to be a quick Target dollar spot haul. I went to Target yesterday and looked at all of their Valentine's Day stuff and picked up some really cute things. So if you would like to see what all I got, then please keep watching. Alright guys, one of the main things that I wanted to get, which I saw like on Instagram that everyone's been getting, are these little Gumball Machines. I think these are so cute. And what's so nice is it has a really nice sealed top that you can put a bunch of candy inside. So it's just like a jar, it's not a real gumball machine. But I think it is so cute to sit on your counter. I also picked up 2 packs of these M&Ms to go inside. They have the red and white, pink. So I think that will look really pretty in here on my counter. So I just put 2 full packages of M&Ms and look, it only goes to right here. So this could at least take another 2 to 3. So this holds so much candy, which is so nice. This Gumball Machine was $3, so I thought that was a good deal. Okay, so the next item I got, which I was looking for, is this wooden love sign. Now what I love about this is that it actually sits up on its own, so you can put it on a shelf. And it just comes in this natural wood color, so you can paint it any color. The acrylic paint I picked up is just this white, and it was for $1. And this love sign was $3. So I thought I could paint it this white color, and I'm thinking of putting it on my wreath. I have like a red berry wreath right now on my door, and I thought this would make it really cute for Valentine's Day and just very simple. I didn't want to have like a gaudy Valentine's Day wreath. So I'm so excited I found this. And they also have, I think they have one that says family. The next item I got is this adorable towel. It says the secret ingredient is love. I also love that the heart here has these little X's embroidered into the towel. It also comes with this heart-shaped oven mitt. I think that will be so nice. I feel like you can never have enough towels, and this was just really cute. I had to pick it up, and it was only $3. They had other colors, but I thought I would stick with the red since that's the theme I'm going to be putting in my kitchen. The next item I got is this cake stand. Now I've been wanting a white cake stand for a while, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money on it, so I was grateful to get this. This was $5, and it's pretty simple. When it's sitting down, you can't really tell that it has hearts, so you could use it year-round, but it actually has hearts all along the sides of it and at the bottom. I was also thinking to use this for my daughter's 2nd birthday because I was wanting just a white cake stand for her cake. I love that you can put like soaps like next to your sink. This would be nice to put soaps, lotion, or even in your bathroom. You can do so many things with little stands like this, not just for cakes. So that's why I'm glad I picked it up, and for only $5, it's such a good deal. Next, I picked up this simple little mailbox, this Valentine's mailbox. It was only $1. I thought this was so adorable, and I'm thinking I want to put this on my son's bookshelves. I want to add some cute Valentine's Day decor to that. And for $1, it's such a cute little decor item. Next, for my daughter's room, I found this really cute wood food set. And it looks like a little cake, and it comes with little wooden candles. I thought that would be so cute because it matches my daughter's kitchen, and I am planning on decorating my daughter's kitchen all up in Valentine's Day decor, so this will be a really cute addition. This was only $3. So the next item I picked up, I feel like this is more of a spring item, but I thought it was too cute not to get. It's this light green tote bag, and it says Flower Market. I don't know if I will keep this felt flower on here. I may peel it off and then use that for something else, but I love the font Flower Market, and I thought this would just be so pretty to drape over a hook with some flowers hanging out for springtime. And that's what I'm planning on using it for, so I'm not going to be using this for Valentine's Day. This was only $3. Next, I just picked up these little star lights. These were $3, and I love to drape these over my kids' bookshelves. Thought the stars were really cute. So the next things I got are these adorable countdown advent type calendars for Valentine's Day. So I got a boy one and a girl one. The boy one is so cute. It comes with dinosaurs, a little robot. They have some play tattoos, and these were each just $3. So I thought this would be a fun way to get the kids excited for Valentine's Day. For my daughters, I got this unicorn with rainbows. And this also comes with the tattoos. It comes with little hair ties, clips, and little stickers, and then they actually have scented stickers for both. I got both of these for $6. That's so cheap and just a really cutesy, fun thing to do with my kids. The last thing I picked up is this adorable rainbow. I think this is so cute, and this is gonna look perfect with my daughter's Valentine setup in her room because I already have a heart garland that matches this exact pink and red color, and then she has a book already with this yellow. So I just thought this would look pretty hanging on her little peg shelf. And this was actually not in the Target dollar spot. This was that spritz line, and it was $10. But I can use this year round as well. It doesn't have to be just for Valentine's Day. This is such a cute little decor piece, so I'm excited about this one. Alright, so that is everything I got from the Target dollar spot, the Bullseye area, however you say it. I love what I got, and I definitely recommend if you're looking for any Valentine's Day stuff to go now because they were already running out of some items. I was really wanting the tier tray, the white tier tray with the heart on top, but they didn't have any of those left when I went. But I'm really excited about what I got, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching what I got. I have another Valentine's Day haul coming this Friday for you guys, so definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful and blessed day.
Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on